Here are Grandma's 25 forgotten lunch ideas from the 1970s. We want back mock chicken legs. Mock chicken legs, also known as city chicken, is a nostalgic dish made from pork and veal shaped to resemble a chicken leg. It was a popular dish in the 1970s, but has since faded from memory. Begin by threading cubed pork and veal onto wooden skewers. Season the meat with salt and pepper. Dredge each skewer in flour. Dip into beaten eggs and coat with breadcrumbs. Heat oil in a skillet over medium heat and fry the skewers until golden brown on all sides. For extra tenderness, bake the browned skewers at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 30 minutes. Serve with mashed potatoes and gravy. Ham and bananas hollandaise. Ham and bananas hollandaise is a unique dish combining sweet and savory flavors. To prepare, wrap slices of ham around peeled bananas and place them in a baking dish. Pour prepared hollandaise sauce generously over the ham-wrapped bananas. Bake in a preheated oven at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 15 to 20 minutes until the bananas are tender and the ham is slightly crispy. Serve hot as an unusual but delightful lunch option. This dish pairs well with a simple green salad to balance the richness. Liver loaf sandwich. Do you remember the hearty flavor of a liver loaf sandwich? Start by slicing a liver loaf into even pieces. Toast your favorite bread and spread a layer of mustard or mayonnaise on each slice. Place a slice of liver loaf on the bread and top with lettuce, tomato, and onion. For extra flavor, add pickles or cheese. Assemble the sandwich and cut it in half for easier eating. This filling sandwich is perfect for a protein-packed lunch, offering a nostalgic taste of the past. Herring salad. Herring salad is a flavorful and refreshing dish that Grandma often makes for lunch. Begin by chopping pickled herring into bite-sized pieces. Combine the herring with grated potatoes, beets, apples, and onions in a large bowl. Add a dollop of sour cream and mix until all ingredients are well coated. Season with salt and pepper to taste. Chill the salad in the refrigerator for at least an hour before serving to allow the flavors to meld. Serve as a light lunch or as a side dish, garnished with fresh dill. Beef tongue sandwich. Are you wondering how to make a classic beef tongue sandwich? Start by simmering beef tongue in water with onions, garlic, and bay leaves for about 3 hours until tender. Peel and slice the tongue thinly once it is cooled. Toast rye bread and spread with mustard or horseradish sauce. Layer the sliced beef tongue on the bread and top with Swiss cheese, sauerkraut, and pickles. Close the sandwich with another slice of toasted rye bread. Cut in half and enjoy a flavorful, old-fashioned sandwich. Creamed chipped beef on toast. Creamed chipped beef on toast, often called stouschka, was a staple in the 1970s. To make this hearty dish, start by slicing dried beef into thin strips. In a saucepan, melt butter over medium heat, then whisk in flour to create a roux. Gradually add milk, whisking constantly until the mixture thickens. Stir in the sliced beef and cook until heated through. Serve the creamy beef mixture over toasted bread. This comforting dish is perfect for a filling lunch, providing a taste of nostalgia. For an extra touch, sprinkle with chopped parsley before serving. A pickle-stuffed meatloaf sandwich. Have you ever tried a pickle-stuffed meatloaf sandwich? This unique twist on a classic starts with preparing your favorite meatloaf recipe, incorporating ground beef, breadcrumbs, eggs, and seasonings. Before baking, create a cavity in the center of the meatloaf and fill it with whole dill pickles. Bake the meatloaf as usual. Once cooled, slice the meatloaf and place it between 2 slices of bread, adding lettuce, tomato, and mustard if desired. This sandwich combines the savory flavors of meatloaf with the tangy crunch of pickles, offering a delightful surprise in each bite. Olive loaf sandwich. Do you remember the distinctive taste of an olive loaf sandwich? Grandma had a classic recipe. To make this flavorful lunch, start by slicing an olive loaf a type of deli meat embedded with pieces of green olives. Toast your favorite bread and spread a layer of mayonnaise or mustard on each slice. Add a layer of the sliced olive loaf, then top with lettuce, tomato, and thinly sliced red onions. Assemble the sandwich and cut it in half for easier eating. This sandwich brings back the savory, tangy flavors of the 1970s, perfect for a quick and satisfying meal. For a twist, add a slice of Swiss cheese, cottage cheese, and Jell-O salad. Cottage cheese and Jell-O salad was a popular side dish in the 1970s. To prepare, dissolve a packet of flavored gelatin, such as lime or orange, in hot water according to package instructions. Allow the gelatin to cool slightly before mixing in cottage cheese, crushed pineapple, drained, and mini marshmallows. Pour the mixture into a mold or serving dish and refrigerate until set. This sweet and tangy salad is a refreshing addition to any lunch, offering a glimpse into retro culinary trends. For added flavor, top with a dollop of whipped cream before serving. Jellied beef mold. Jellied beef mold is a retro dish that combines savory beef with the unique texture of gelatin. Start by cooking ground beef with onions and garlic until browned. Drain any excess fat and mix in beef broth and gelatin powder. Pour the mixture into a mold and refrigerate until set. Once firm, unmold the jellied beef onto a serving platter. Slice and serve with crackers or bread for a distinctively 1970s lunch. This dish is a conversation starter, showcasing the era's adventurous culinary spirit. For added garnish, surround the mold with fresh parsley or sliced olives. Salmon mousse is a creamy and elegant dish that was popular in the 1970s. To make it, blend together 1 can of salmon, drained and flaked, 1 cup of softened cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped dill, and salt and pepper to taste. Once smooth, transfer the mixture to a decorative mold and refrigerate for at least 2 hours until set. Serve chilled with crackers or toasted baguette slices. For added flavor, garnish with fresh dill and lemon slices before serving. Mushroom loaf. Have you tried making mushroom loaf? This savory vegetarian option showcases the earthy flavor of mushrooms. Start by sautéing 2 cups of finely chopped mushrooms with 1 diced onion and 2 minced garlic cloves in a little oil until softened. In a large bowl, combine the mushroom mixture with 1 cup of breadcrumbs, half a cup of grated cheese, 2 beaten eggs, and seasonings like thyme, salt, and pepper. Mix well and press into a greased loaf pan. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 minutes to 1 hour. Serve warm, sliced, with a side of gravy or tomato sauce for added richness. For best results, let the loaf cool slightly before slicing to help it hold together. Pineapple and cheese salad. Pineapple and cheese salad is a sweet and tangy combination that was a hit in the 1970s. To prepare, arrange fresh or canned pineapple rings on a bed of lettuce. In the center of each ring, place a dollop of cottage cheese or a small cube of cheddar cheese. Drizzle with a light dressing made from 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise mixed with 1 tablespoon of pineapple juice. Garnish with a sprinkle of paprika or chopped parsley. For an extra touch, add a few maraschino cherries on top. Chill the salad before serving to enhance the flavors. Stuffed celery with pimento cheese. Have you ever tried stuffed celery with pimento cheese? This crunchy and flavorful snack is easy to make. To prepare the pimento cheese, mix together 1 cup of shredded sharp cheddar cheese, half a cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of chopped pimentos, and a pinch of cayenne pepper. Fill celery stalks with the pimento cheese mixture, pressing it in firmly. Arrange the stuffed celery on a platter and refrigerate until ready to serve. For an extra twist, sprinkle the celery with a bit of paprika or chopped chives before serving. Bologna cups. Bologna cups are a fun and nostalgic treat. Start by preheating your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Place slices of bologna in a muffin tin, pressing them down to form cups. Crack an egg into each bologna cup and sprinkle with salt, pepper, and a little shredded cheese. Bake in the oven for 15 to 20 minutes until the eggs are set and the bologna is crispy. Remove from the oven and let cool slightly before serving. For added flavor, top with a sprinkle of chives or a dash of hot sauce. Ham and green bean casserole. Ham and green bean casserole became a staple in American households during the 70s, often featured in community cookbooks and popularized by brands like Campbell's with their cream of mushroom soup. To prepare, preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a large bowl, mix together 2 cups of diced cooked ham, 3 cups of cooked green beans, 1 can of condensed cream of mushroom soup, and half a cup of milk. Pour the mixture into a greased casserole dish. Top with a layer of crushed crackers or breadcrumbs for added crunch. Bake for 30 to 35 minutes until bubbly and golden brown. For extra flavor, sprinkle with shredded cheese before serving. Tongue and potato salad. While not as mainstream as other dishes, tongue and potato salad was often found in Jewish delis and ethnic markets across America during the same decade, reflecting the country's diverse culinary influences. To make this unique dish, start by simmering a beef tongue in water with onions, garlic, and bay leaves for about 3 hours until tender. Peel and dice the tongue once it is cooled. In a large bowl, combine the diced tongue with 4 cups of boiled and sliced potatoes, 1 cup of diced celery, half a cup of chopped pickles, and half a cup of mayonnaise. Season with salt, pepper, and a bit of mustard to taste. Chill the salad in the refrigerator before serving. Garnish with fresh parsley for an added touch. Spam fritters. During this era, spam fritters were a popular item in school cafeterias and military mess halls, reflecting the convenience food trend of the decade. To make them, slice a can of Spam into quarter-inch thick pieces. In a bowl, mix together 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of water to create a batter. Dip each Spam slice into the batter, ensuring it is fully coated. Heat oil in a skillet over medium heat and fry the Spam slices until golden brown on both sides, about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Drain on paper towels and serve hot. For extra flavor, serve with a dipping sauce like honey mustard or ketchup. Cucumber mousse salad. Cucumber mousse salad was a staple at dinner parties, often presented in elaborate molds and garnished with dill, representing the era's love for sophisticated and decorative gelatin-based dishes. To prepare, peel and grate 2 large cucumbers, then drain them well. In a bowl, dissolve 1 packet of unflavored gelatin in a 1/4 cup of cold water, then add 1 cup of boiling water and stir until completely dissolved. Let the mixture cool slightly. In another bowl, combine the grated cucumbers with 1 cup of sour cream, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, and salt and pepper to taste. Fold in the gelatin mixture and pour into a mold. Refrigerate until set, about 2 hours. Serve chilled, garnished with fresh dill or mint. Peanut butter and pickle sandwich. Though it sounds unconventional, the peanut butter and pickle sandwich enjoyed a niche popularity in the same period, celebrated in various weird food columns and cookbooks of the era. To make this unique sandwich, spread a generous layer of peanut butter on 1 slice of bread. Top with thinly sliced pickles, covering the peanut butter evenly. Place another slice of bread on top to complete the sandwich. This unexpected pairing of creamy and crunchy textures with sweet and tangy flavors offers a unique taste experience. For a twist, try using different types of pickles, like bread and butter or dill, to find your favorite combination. Sardine and onion sandwich. Have you ever tried a sardine and onion sandwich? To make this distinctive sandwich, start by draining a can of sardines and placing them in a bowl. Add thinly sliced onions, a squeeze of lemon juice, and a bit of black pepper. Mix gently to combine. Spread butter on slices of rye or whole grain bread, then layer the sardine mixture between the slices. This sandwich offers a hearty flavor combination that pairs well with a side of pickles or potato chips. Cold jellied beef salad. Cold jellied beef salad, a dish that showcases the era's fondness for gelatin-based recipes and was a lunch meal Grandma often makes. To prepare, start by cooking 1 pound of ground beef with onions and garlic until browned. Drain any excess fat and let it cool. In a bowl, dissolve 1 packet of unflavored gelatin in a 1/4 cup of cold water. Then add 1 cup of hot beef broth and stir until dissolved. Combine the beef mixture with the gelatin mixture, add chopped celery and pickles, and season with salt and pepper. Pour into a mold and refrigerate until set, about 4 hours. Serve chilled, slice, and enjoy. Pickled beet salad. Pickled beet salad was a colorful and tangy addition to many 70s tables. To make it, start by draining a jar of pickled beets and cutting them into bite-sized pieces. In a large bowl, combine the beets with thinly sliced red onions, chopped parsley, and a few capers. For the dressing, mix 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, and a pinch of sugar, then pour over the salad. Toss everything together gently and let it marinate in the fridge for at least an hour before serving. This salad pairs well with grilled meats or as a vibrant side dish. Veal and ham pie. Have you ever made a veal and ham pie? It's a classic savory delight that was a favorite in British-inspired American kitchens. Brown cubed veal and diced ham in butter, then set aside. Sauté onions and garlic. Add flour to create a roux and gradually stir in stock and cream until thickened. Season with salt, pepper, and nutmeg. Return the meat to the pan and mix well. Pour into a pie or baking dish, add halved boiled eggs, and cover with puff pastry. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 35 minutes until golden brown. Let cool slightly before serving and enjoy with steamed vegetables or salad. Chicken aspic. Chicken aspic was a sophisticated dish often found on buffet tables during Grandma's time. Simmer 2 pounds of chicken with 1 chopped onion, carrot, celery, a bay leaf, and peppercorns in 6 cups of water for 1 hour. Strain the broth and shred the chicken. Dissolve 1 envelope of unflavored gelatin in a 1/4 cup of cold water, then add it to 4 cups of simmering broth, stirring until dissolved. Arrange chicken and sliced vegetables in a mold. Pour the broth over and chill for 4 hours until set. Unmold and serve cold, garnished with herbs or salad. For more contents like this, click here to subscribe.